What's up, YouTube? Big Dog Dave here. I don't know what's flying around. It's dust, probably. The light's in a different spot. No glasses. I'm sweating my ass off. It's hot as hell here. So, kind of two things going on in this video. I decided to change my Batman collection. So, just because it's Batman doesn't mean I want it. I want Batman almost in his true form. Except I'm keeping Jungle Batman because it looks like Andre the Giant with a Batman mask on. Can't go wrong. These 5 pops next to me, I don't want anymore. So I'm either going to trade them or I'll sell them. And by that I mean I'll post them on Mercari, eBay, the regular places. Batman Beyond. Just never got into it. Don't know much about it. The box is probably not in the best shape. I mean, if you're interested, let me know and I'll let you know what kind of shape it's in. Batman robot. I don't know what Batman robot is. I don't understand it. I didn't watch the animated series. Catwoman still just looks hot. I know it's a cartoon, I know it's a pop, but you can picture her being hot, so. The Arkham Knight. Someone said this is Batman. But like evil Batman maybe? I don't know. That one I'll collect. That I won't. This is a recent pickup. I literally just got this the other day. I don't know what it is. I don't know what Red Green Batman is. To be honest, it creeps the fuck out of me. I don't want it. So this one I traded for recently. But again, I don't get it. So it has some damage on the back, but it is what it is. So those I'm gonna get rid of. I'm still keeping the Batman imposters for right now because they look like Batman to me, and I like them. Collect what you like. Isn't that the saying? That being said, we got a Grail. This thing's so originally when I saw it, I was like, nah, I don't like this shit. And then over time it grew on me, and then I wanted it, and then I couldn't live without it. And when Luau hit 1,000, I still didn't know if I would pick it if I won. I didn't win. But if I had one, I wasn't sure if I would go with that or the sneaker deal. Because they're not even sneakers. I just wanted shoes from the website because I could get whatever. And I like sandals or flip-flops or slides. Call them what you want. I know they're different. I call them all the same thing. But I was going to get, a few pairs of slides. That's what I wear all year. Snow, not snow, don't care. Spend more time inside where my feet can dry off than I do outside, where my socks will get wet, and then I gotta change my socks. I gotta change my shoes. I have issues. So you kind of probably know what this is already without me showing it to you. And that I like Batman. And that I got it from the Luau. And that he was trying to give it away for a while, kind of, or sell it. So after the 1,000 went off, the subscriber contest, I messaged him immediately because I knew what the winner took. And I was like, I want this, I can't buy it right now, can I do layaway with you? And he said yes. So even though I paid it off 2 days ago, probably shouldn't have. Probably should have drug it out a little bit. But I wanted it. I wanted it bad. I wanted it in my hands. I tried to win one. Not win one. I tried to win this one. But I tried the Spastic Mystery boxes and never got it. I'm being so careful because I don't know where. I'm guessing the way he packed it in this box, it's in that area. I use this for packing too. Do not go shy with packing this up. See it. So beautiful, and it's I mean, I guess I could show it to you. It's Pepe. It's blue. It's chromy. It's got the yellow on the shield. You can see everything in the background. Wow. I'm so excited. I mean, I can't really. There's people sleeping. I can't believe I'm holding this. I mean, this thing is sweet. No, it's not real good with it though. see him best. So, let's gotta go back in that case. I would love to take this out, but maybe if I get another one someday, I can have it. I don't know how many of them I have. I don't even know if I got that one, I think, which was a specialty series, I believe. I think that might be the only one I have of these. So I want all these. But for now, this is my most expensive Batman. Or Pop. Until I get the green one. But I'm super happy with this one. I now have the blue chrome and the teal chrome. So I just got that this year. He used to have the gold, not chrome, just the gold. But I traded it because I thought I could get another one. And then that guy just disappeared on me. I got ghosted. I think I look better without the glasses. Unfortunately, I can't see past like there. Anyways, I'm so happy. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you for working with me. Thank you for selling me this. Thank you for so much. I'm so happy. It's gonna go somewhere special on the shelf. Later.